this video, we're going to practice our kinetic letters. We have had lots of practice at forming our letters one at a time. We've had lots of videos on the YouTube channel and we've done lots of practice at forming our letters one at a time. Today we're going to practice writing words, just writing simple 3-letter words using our kinetic letters. And the main thing that we're going to think about is snuggling our letters together. Because sometimes when we write our words, we leave big spaces in between our letters and we need to remember to snuggle them together. So let's have a look at our first word. Can you read what our first word says? Hat. Yeah, hat. Our first word says hat. Now notice how I haven't got finger spaces in between my letters. They are snuggled together, they are close together. And that's what your letters should look like too. So let me have a go at showing you how to do that. Now a hut starts at brave monkey, down bump, back up, push over, down bump, flick. Now we're going to start our at right next to the h. Down bump, flick, and our t back up at brave monkey. Down bump, flick, push. Some of us, when we're doing our letters, we take our time and we do lovely letters, but we leave big gaps in between our letters like this. We don't want that. We want to snuggle them nice and closely together. Let's have a go at the next one. Sun. S. Oh. Snuggled together. I haven't got big gaps between my letters. Let's try this word. What does this word say? Dog. Okay. So let's start at scared monkey. Up to brave monkey, down bump, flick. Oh, and the gut, snuggle it together. If you do find that you can't remember how to form any of these letters or you're finding it tricky, have a look back at the other videos on our YouTube channel. We have a kinetic letters playlist with all the letter families in. Have a look at them and have another practice of those letters that you're finding difficult. And what's the last word? Vet. That's right. So I'm going to make sure I snuggle my letters nice and closely together, thinking about where they start and where they end. Vet. Okay. So when you're doing your kinetic letters practice in your pack this week and next week, when you've practiced your letters, at the bottom of the sheet you will have some words to practice. So not only are you practicing forming your letters correctly, but I also want you to try and snuggle those letters together, okay, and practice writing those words. And as I said, if you do need to have a look back at any of the videos to remind you how to form the letters, you can do so.